Alright, after running an Nmap scan, it's very important for a person to save his or her Nmap result. What some people do is they copy it and then they create a text file and put all of this in there, but that is very inconvenient. Today I'm going to be showing you a more convenient way you can do this. So let's dive right into it. First, we're going to run systemctl enable postgres.service. Now if you've enabled your Postgres, you would have to restart your Postgres or restart your Kali. This is the database service, so we have to enable it to be able to use it. Then we would have to check the msfdb status. Postgres is enabled and it is active. Immediately after this, you can run msfdb. Alright. And then you can start your database. Beautiful. So after all these commands, we head into msfconsole. And immediately we check our DB status, DB underscore status. If you follow the steps correctly, you're supposed to see the same text connected to msf.connection type postgres, which is the service we enable. After this, you're set to go. Now to run your Nmap, you would have to do db underscore Nmap to put your Nmap results in a database. And then just run the Nmap scan. Alright, so any Nmap scan you run in msfconsole with this command with db underscore Nmap, it is going to put the database scan results in a database. Now let's go and view these results. Alright, to view your database scan results, all you have to type is services. These ones, they are my past Nmap scan results. So I'm just going to scroll down and get the IP address I used. The 142.22 was open. And look at this, it's so beautifully arranged. I mean, look at the port number, look at the host, the protocol, the name, the state, whether it's open or closed. And this is just beautiful. I mean, look at this. But this is a more convenient way of saving your Nmap scan results. Make sure to subscribe for more tips from me.